Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear fellow surgeon and fellow vascular surgeon. I always thought about when you get a patient with diabetic wound in your clinic, what is the optimum dressing? What is the best dressing? Usually this decision depends about how much experience you have with the dressing, with the new dressing, or with the old dressing and the old protocol, and you haven't been changed. Or it depends if a company have sent you their representative to speak to you about a new type of dressing, and none of that have really evidence proof the medicine. And whenever you go to artificial intelligence like a ChatGPT, you ask a question, you really have not given the artificial intelligence the actual platform to give you a good answer. So, because I am a Google developer for past many years, it always comes to me, what about an application to solve that problem? That is why I created an application which is available to YouTube member in the form of courses. And this tool, I called it VASAI Diabetic Wound Dressing Advisor. What is basically, and I will show you an example. Basically, it is a tool that you put a picture about the wound that you have with the patient. You put a few clinical detail and it search all over the internet with machine learning and tell you a huge amount of information about this wound. What is the best dressing and why? And how much of the wound is infected or not infected? And what is the prognosis? How long time it will take to heal? What are the risk factors? What are the advantage of this dressing? Is it available near you? And what is the address of the company or their agent in your local country? So I'm not sure that there is an application similar to that, but I will show you the power of this application, which you can run it from your mobile, from your laptop, from your tablet, and it will open your camera straight away. So let us go now and see the application in action. Now, here is the application, and this application is only for doctors. So you scroll down and you said, yes, I am a doctor, a healthcare profession, and then you enter the application. And this is the page of the application. The name is Diabetic Foot Wound Advisor, VASAI, and then you upload an image, or you can take images straight away. So let us take an image like this one. So you can upload one image or two image or three image. And then let us say this is a patient 60 years of age. He's a male patient. And my clinic is in Cairo, Egypt. Why I put the address? Because it will search about this product where it is sold near you. Wound duration, let us say it is 4 months. And wound depth, let us say 3 millimeters. And let us say the wound in centimeter length is 2 centimeters by width of 2 centimeters. And then let us say he has moderate glycosylated hemoglobin A1C. Duration of diabetes, he had diabetes for 10 years. He has normal pulses. Current dressing is iodine dressing. And the frequency, he used to do that daily. Okay. Offloading method, he doesn't use any offloading. And he's an active smoker, no renal impairment. Now, local distributor, which is optional, but this program will give you what is the local distributor. Advanced factor, and this is important. Let us say I want you to assess the wound and tell me how much amount of auto assessment or autolysis is needed. And these are the options. You can select adsorb or donate moisture or maintain balance, or you can have an auto assessment. Debridement performed or required, you can click that. And fragile skin, you say he has a fragile skin. Deployment method, I prefer chemical debridement. Okay. Now, after you finish this information, generate recommendation. And here, what this program will do, it will go search all over the internet from machine learning and get you the best answer to this one and the best recommendation. And why this program is not free of charge? Because this action needs a token. And token is the currency that we deal with artificial intelligence. And here is the answer. Okay. Number one, this is the assessment report. Give you clinical report. And you can print this report. So if you are in the clinic, you can give this is the report of your wound. Very professional way, and you can translate it to Arabic if you want to. Here is some alert. Effective offloading is required. Smoking cessation, strongly advised. So he give you all the advice what you need to do. And this is the wound. And this is how much exudate it have done the assessment with tissue composition. You can see the amount of necrosis is 0, but the slough is 20%, granulation tissue is 80%. Okay? And it have Wagner grade 1. Amount of exudate, it has been judged to be moderate exudate, and the surface area is 3 square centimeters. And here is there is no blister or bully, no fissure or cracks, but there is callus. And this is done by artificial intelligence. Infection signs, artificial intelligence can detect infection, but this one has no infection. Okay? So let us go back to what they recommend. Healing outlook and prognosis. Closure chance is 30%. The goal is complete closure of the wound. And here is the key healing drivers. Offloading, stop smoking, better glycemic control, chronic wound duration, and hyperkeratosis. All these are key healing derivatives. Now, what it recommends? It recommends the Miplex border flex, which is adsorbency, moderate and moderate to high, and availability, and it gives you the name of the company and the distributor, major medical distributor in Cairo, Egypt. It mentioned here that is the agent was not available, could not know what is the agent, but you can search with the name over the internet to tell you this is a silicone foam dressing with border. Okay. Rationale why it has selected this dressing. This dressing is ideal to manage moderate exudate while provide a gentle atraumatic dressing. Frequency, he recommend frequency 2 to 3 days to change the dressing. Now, adjuvant therapy, vacuum is not indicated. Hyperbaric oxygen is not indicated. And this is the argument. And alternative option, Aquacell and Alevine Life. Aquacell content is widely available, and distributor is a major medical distributor. Okay. And here also another alternative option, which is Alevine Life. And this is the argument for that. Now, this what I have emphasized this very important evidence summary. Why you did choose this dressing? Because the World Federation of Diabetic Foot Ulcer, International World Federation, Guideline Prevention and Management of Diabetic Foot Wound, it recommends offloading as a primary intervention for primary diabetic foot. So offloading essential. NICE guidelines, number 19, commendation, recommend use dressing, and time framework of wound bed preparation, addressing tissue debridement, and so on. So now you have all the availability, what is the best dressing, how to use it. You can search for the supplier near you, and you can know a lot of detail about the healing of this and the important risk factors, and you can print this report. I hope this tool is beneficial to my fellow surgeons. It doesn't take time, maximum 2 minutes to get the data in and get the response. Just with a connection over the internet and give you the best available advice to this diabetic wound dressing. I hope it is useful to you, useful to your patient, and I wish you all the best. It is allowed to YouTube channel membership. There is a video with the QR code how to go to this application. I wish you all the best.